Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the BondFree Smart Wi-Fi camera. And basically this is a light bulb camera. It's a security camera with Wi-Fi capabilities. And so it's a 4 megapixel camera. It is a 5G and again Wi-Fi enabled smart camera slash security camera, and enables you to use it in the dark. It has LED lights to kind of spotlight what it's scanning on. It can pan, tilt, you can communicate through it. Really cool stuff. So let's open it up and walk you through it, and then we'll show it in action.
All right, so getting this opened, first thing that you'll see is, of course, you'll have your instruction manual, and then the actual security camera bulb light, and just check, see if there's anything else in there. There's not. So it's simple, easy, obvious, right? What you're going to do is just screw it in. This is going to be able to rotate a little bit up and down, and I'm not sure if it'll go left and right, but we'll be able to demonstrate it in a few moments here. I do want to point out that there are some lights here, so you'll have some spotlight capabilities. All powered directly through the actual light, so it will need to be a working light. And you know, it's of course pretty decent size, bigger than your typical light bulb. But again, I can't stress enough that you do need to go ahead and read the manual and understand this is an indoor security camera light. So let's demonstrate it.
All right, so I just installed this up here, and you can actually see it rotating on its own, going through some motions. I'm going to be working on installing the app, but just want to show you kind of how this thing's operating on its own already, and then we'll show you kind of how it works. All right, so I believe it just connected. I was trying to capture it while the app is actually running to connect the camera, so hopefully this is just showing you that it connected. It was blinking a moment ago, so hopefully that's what happened.
Okay, so I'm giving you a live stream right now of a bedroom where this is installed. So I want to show a couple things. First of all, you can do live, you can do history, you can upload to the cloud, you can take screenshots. This is all just showing you my app right now. So this is all done through the app. It'll have a hold to talk, so I can talk to you know, that room. I can record, I can screenshot. Oops. I can create a light by just turning that on. If this was a dark room, as you can see, the lights kind of changed a little bit. I can have a siren. I can do all kinds of different things. I can also change the quality of the actual feed. And please note that it's going to be dependent upon your internet connection as well. So just keep that in mind. So what I would use is my finger on my phone here, but because I'm recording this, it's going to be showing you my, you know, how it works on my computer. But you can just go up, down, left, right, and you know, again, we're just going to kind of cycle through this. I'm going to go down there in just a second and record myself waving at it, just so you can see kind of what things look like. But it's pretty darn good quality in my opinion. So I'm gonna just kind of walk away here from the recording. I'm gonna leave it running, and that way you'll see me enter the room and wave at the camera. Just showing you exactly how close I can get to it. Hopefully this helps. All right, so I'm not sure if you were able to hear anything or not, but please note that you will need to have power in that room as you're doing this stuff. And again, this is a pretty sweet little thing where I can talk back to it, and it's got motion detection capabilities. So make sure you have power wherever you're putting this light bulb in, and hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.